Okay, there were some chicken wings and fish balls now in a pack. Now, if you haven't had fish balls before, trust me, they are delicious. Southeast Asian favorites. So I'm very hungry now. So there were chicken wings and fish balls in a pack. After 2/7 of the chicken wings were taken out from the pack, there were 3/10 as many chicken wings as fish balls in the pack. If there were 50 fish balls, how many chicken wings were there in the pack at first? Okay, so what have we got? We have got chicken wings and we've got fish balls. All right, we'll have to read carefully. It says, after 2/7 of the chicken wings were taken out from the pack, okay, there were 3/10 as many chicken wings as fish balls. Okay, and this is the bit where we're going to have to start because it says there were 3/10 as many chicken wings as fish balls. So what are we dividing into tenths? Well, that is the chicken wings are being compared to the fish balls. So this 3/10 is what the fish balls, tenths is what the fish balls have been divided into. So I am going to do, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, this would be much easier with squared paper, but actually we often don't have it, which is why I don't always use it on here to show you that you don't need to have squared paper, and it also doesn't need to be perfect for it to work really well. So let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is all of the fish balls and they've been divided into tenths. And it says there were 3/10 as many chicken wings as fish balls. That's after some were taken out, but this is what we can draw now. There were 3/10 as many chicken wings as fish balls. So that means the amount of chicken wings that are left is the same as 3/10, the same of the fish balls. Okay, so these, I'm going to, so this, okay, is the same as this. Okay. Right, now what? I mean, I could divide these up, but I'm not going to because I've noticed something else because the chicken wings are not going to be divided into these parts. It says, what does this mean? What does this part mean? It says after 2/7 of the chicken wings were taken out of the pack. So this bit must be 5/7. That's what's left. Okay, so I'm actually going to divide this bit. This is only part of the chicken wings. All right, and this part is 5/7. So I'm going to divide this into 5 equal parts. These parts, you can see they're smaller than these parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if this is 5 of the sevenths, I'm going to draw the extra. This is the bit that was that were taken out. Now, please don't think that because it looks like this looks a bit like it's the same size as this. This is just how I've drawn that. I know that this is not the same size as this. That's not what I mean. Okay, these are sevenths of the chicken wings. So this is the 2/7. Okay, what do we know now? It says that if there were 50 fish balls, how many chicken wings were there in the pack at first? Okay, so there were 50. So this whole bar has a value of 50. We know there's 10. We divided this into tenths. So each of these parts is 1/10. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. So each of these parts has a value of 5. Okay. But this is the bit I want to pay attention to, because I have a value for this part. These three parts have a value of 15. And remember, this is the same as this. So, all right, both of these have a value of 15. And I can now find out what each of these parts is worth. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I now know that each of these is 3. And if each of these is 3, these are 3 as well. Okay, because remember, these were the 5/7 and these were the 2/7 that were taken out of the pack. And what are we asked? We are asked how many chicken wings. Okay, so that's going to be this whole amount here. How many chicken wings were there at first? All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 3, which gives us 21. All right, that's our final answer.